Hello traders worldwide, welcome back. This is MJ Crypto. Now in this video I'm going to teach you how to make money from trading airdrops on the Gate.io platform. Amazing platform, guys, amazing. I'm going to teach you how you can get in on HODLER airdrops that are currently vesting and trading on the platform, on the app. All you have to do is download the app, use the link in the description of this video, and start following what I'm about to show you. Take just 4 to 6 minutes of your time because this is going to be what's life-changing and explosive. Now, right here on the Gates.io app, first of all, let me introduce you to this app. All right. Now, on this platform, you can trade both perpetuals and spots. And if you want to do that, all you have to do is come down here. Just simply come down here. You can see your futures, you can see your spots, and you can trade this at the very best fees, guys. Now, back to business. All right, I'm going to briefly introduce GT. GT is the native token. Okay, GT is the native token of Gate.io. It has multiple users. All right, we also have HODLER Airdrops, we have Launch Pool, we have Simple N, we have GT staking, we have VIP, we have community benefits, etc. Now, holding GT is going to give you a lot of benefits. All right, now this GT token I'm talking about, the native token, right? It was launched, or rather, it has moved from $4 in 2024 to $22 currently. And let me show you what I'm saying. Look at it, guys. If we check the chart, let's put it on a weekly time frame. Let's put this on the monthly time frame rather, and see how massively this coin has pumped since its inception, 2019. It has moved from $4 2024 to what it is now. Now, I love trading native tokens because they give you a very, very massive opportunity to make a lot of money, guys, a lot of money. Now, this is what GT has done. Now, talking about HODLER Airdrop, now let me go back. Let's go back again. Let's go back. We have HODLER Airdrop here. Now, in this platform, or rather on this platform, it is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT holders. That's Gate token holders. GT means Gate token. Users only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share airdrop tokens based on their holdings proportion. Now, to participate is very simple. All you have to do, right? The current ones that are on board now is AO and Spice. These two. Can you see? And now what I'm saying is to participate, right? To participate in these two events, this AO and Spice, all you have to do is buy some GT and hold it. Now, when the distribution time occurs or happens, they will distribute airdrops to you according to how much you have held or how much you have been holding. So how much airdrop you get is a function of how much holdings that you have. All right, now some of the frequently asked questions for airdrops, the link is going to be in the description of this video. I want you to go ahead and watch them. Watch them very, very, very critically. Now, how do you participate? You just have to click on participate now. Click on participate now. Click on buy GT. Go to your spot, fund your account. All right, for those of you who don't know how to fund your account, to transfer money here, you can just come here, copy. You can go to on-chain deposit, copy any coin. If it's USDT you want to transfer, just transfer USDT. and you will see the network that is available. You have TRC20, we have BNB, we have a lot of them, Ethereum, Solana, and all of them, guys. We have all of them available on gate.io. So deposit, fund your account, then come back here and buy your GT. You can buy at market price, you can buy at limit price, whichever one you want to do. Just ensure that you buy some GT and hold it. Hold it and then come back again to HODLER Airdrop and click participate now. All right, once you click participate now, it's going to show you the next process. All right, it's going to show you the next process and how everything is actually being done. Now, guys, as long as your GT holdings in gate.io account is no less than 1, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking or staking your GT. All right, you can participate. You are allowed to participate. Now, how are airdrops token distributed? I know this is the next question a lot of you would ask. Now, we'll take a snapshot of your GT holdings at the time of participation and at the end of the airdrop. Airdrop tokens will be distributed based on your GT holdings. All right, proportion of the total snapshot amount, the larger the holdings, the more airdrops token you receive. Now, all of these things that I've just explained now briefly, you can find them in the link in the description of this video. When you sign up, the link is also going to be there for you to answer all your questions. You can ask me in my DM. There's also a link to the FAQ. It's going to be in the description of this video as well. Now, it is very easy and beneficial to participate in, okay? It's very easy and beneficial. This is one means that you can continue to use to make constant profit every now and then. There's no risk involved. All you have to do is just take, and when it's time to distribute, you get your money. And by the way, your GT doesn't dip, it doesn't fall down. All right, you just keep making money every now and then. That is all you just keep doing. You keep making money, keep printing every now and then, guys. Simple. All right, one love. I'm going to be making more videos on this. I'm going to be showing you how to consistently make profit off from this. It's going to be a series actually. Now, this is just a brief introduction to the Gate.io trading tutorial. One of the advantages of Gate.io is that Gate.io has launched a lot of tokens. Let's go back to the app. It has launched a lot of tokens. We have Pi, we have GT, we have Mubarak. Gate.io has over 3,800 tokens. You can trade smoothly. 3,800 tokens. You can select from, they have different categories. You can go on spot and check pilot. You can even check pre-market. You can check new. You can check Trump. Coins that are associated with Trump. All right, you can check them out. You can check BSC ecosystem. A lot of coins are here. A lot. You can check your meme tokens. You can check your Ton Echo. You can check your Solana Echo. You can check your AI. I love AI tokens a lot. You can check all of these things right here. All right, right here. So basically, this is just how the platform works. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep it locked down. Keep trading with Gate.io. And let's make more profits together. Yeah.